Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into Bagels, a powerful terminal-based expense tracker. It's got some really cool features, and I'm excited to share them with you.
A terminal-based expense tracker? That sounds interesting. I usually stick to mobile apps. What makes this one stand out?
Well, the developer's philosophy is all about habit formation. He found it easier to track expenses at the end of the day in a quick and efficient manner rather than on the go. The terminal provides that speed and keeps everything local. Plus, it's got a surprisingly polished interface, considering it's text-based. It's not your grandpa's command line tool.
I see. So it's all about efficiency and local data storage. What are some of the key features that make it efficient?
Oh, tons. We're talking accounts, subcategories, splits, transfers, the whole shebang. It even has templates for recurring transactions, which is a huge time saver. And the interface uses a clear table layout with toggleable splits, making it easy to see everything at a glance. Plus, there's a jump mode for navigation. Super slick.
Jump mode? That sounds intriguing. And what about data analysis? Can you get any insights from your tracked expenses?
Absolutely. Bagels offers spending plots and graphs, even estimated spending, which is really useful for budgeting. You can also filter by label, amount, and category. It's got a budgeting tool built in too, to help you limit unnecessary spending. Pretty comprehensive, right?
It sounds pretty comprehensive. But how easy is it to actually use? I'm not a command line wizard, you know.
That's a great point. The installation is surprisingly straightforward. They use a package manager called UV, and the instructions are clear for both macOS and Windows. The commands to start, locate the database, and upgrade are also very simple. It's really well documented.
Okay, that's reassuring. What about the development side of things? Is it easy to contribute?
The setup for development is also well documented. They use pre-commit hooks and recommend using the black formatter. There's even a textual dev mode for catching prints, which is a nice touch. But I noticed the roadmap mentions adding more tests, which is something I think they should prioritize. More tests would improve the overall quality and reliability of the software.
Agreed. Thorough testing is crucial for any application, especially one dealing with financial data. So overall, what's your take on Bagels?
I'm really impressed. It's a well-designed, powerful expense tracker that cleverly leverages the terminal for efficiency. The features are extensive, the documentation is excellent, and the community seems active. While the testing could use some improvement, it's a solid project with a lot of potential. Definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a different approach to expense tracking.
Thanks for the detailed overview. It sounds like a compelling alternative to traditional expense tracking apps. I'm definitely intrigued and will be giving it a try.
You're welcome. And that's all the time we have for today's episode of Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.